Alright, what is going on everybody? It is Tristan, and today I'm back with another video, and what we're going to be discussing today is how you can resell sneaker bricks or shoes that aren't as profitable, maybe some ones that you've had some trouble selling. I'm usually pretty decent with doing this, so I'm going to show you all how I've been doing it recently, and I've been doing it more often recently because I've been, building FLX points, so I've been having to go into stores and actually find profitable shoes kind of in the moment, and have to make money on them or break even or something like that, which only loss I've taken was PS Carmine's, but I'll get those flipped pretty soon. And I took a fat dub and some Air Forces the other day, made like 40 bucks on those. So that's that's the key to it. You find some you make money on, and then some you just kind of take a nail on, but you do flip some. But yeah, if you guys want more content like this, just subscribe and like down below. It's gonna be a little simple vlog, not too long really. I gotta go ship some shoes, so I'm gonna show you all how I do that. Like I got these to ship right here, Varsity Mazes, which I sold to somebody on Instagram, got them for 100, sold them for 150. So again, I can show you how to do flips like that. That's a pretty good flip right there, $50 off a $100 purchase, not bad. And then yeah, we'll just kind of show the shipping process, how I do it, what I use for selling bricks online, kind of where I do it, all that basic stuff you'd have to know. So yeah, check my Instagrams, any of that down below. And we got the lovely shower hair going right now. Don't know why I'm talking about that. Just get into it, yeah. Alright, so the shoes for today. I actually got a new tee. I really mess with this. Let me know what y'all think in the comments. You think this fresh or not. Whatever you want to say. And then, yeah, we got some options, but the vlog shoes as usual. Today's a pretty lazy day. Not like a long vlog. We're not really going into stores or anything. Metallic Force trying to follow me up there. Got the purple and red ones. Gonna try to get the other ones, but we're gonna be rocking these boys today. Couple Kith Jones. These ones right here. I still want to get another pair of slouts, something different in this, because I've had these for a while. But yeah, these Varsity Mazes, pretty good condition, honestly. Shout out my friend Ian. He gave me a great deal on these. Y'all can check him out on Instagram, Papa John's. I'm not going to pop it up or anything. But yeah, check him out, and these are dope. So he gave me a great deal. I'm going to try and give him another good deal. So let's just head to the other house. My dad's house where I shipped the other package, get those shipped. Ship the other stuff, and then get into flipping some bricks. Oh, and shout out to whoever told me about the 10% off thing. If you do a little survey at the bottom or whatever, for FLX points, yeah, or $10 off. Useful trick. I knew about that, but I didn't know it was on each receipt. So $20 off right here at Foot Locker. My next bricks are gonna be good. Would have been useful for these babies. These are clean. I thought I had a dub and a half, but StockX bids are lacking. So should I hold? I don't think so. PSS. There we go, nice little seat for you. Shout out my dad for always having so many boxes at his house, because he has like his business. So shout out him. I'm able to find a box for this probably, but he just started his up. So shout out him. Hard working. Let's get this boy on the road though, and boy, I need a car wash and a half. So you guys may have noticed I started this vlog a little late. I probably slept the latest I've ever slept. I slept till pretty much 11 a.m. I did help my homie, get around last night. So, I drove him around and I got home at like 1, so I did get home pretty late, but I haven't slept like that long in a while. I don't know why. So yeah, this is why I'm starting this so late. This is why this video will probably be shorter, because I do want to continue the upload streak and get something out good. So yeah, I'm filming this late. Don't got a lot of time, you know what I mean? But we're gonna head to the post office really close to me, or fairly close to me. We're gonna drop these packages off in the back, and then we'll get these ones shipped off to the post office by my dad's once we're at that point. So let's go. Alright, so we're about to be at the post office, and I just want to let y'all know the shoes I'm actually shipping off right now are some bricks, and I flipped them both to StockX, and like my last bricks, made money on them. So it's really not that difficult. It's an easy process, especially when you take advantage of like something right now, like all the back to school sales going on like Champs, Foot Locker, all those things. You can find like New Balances, things like that flip, and make money on them, selling them to StockX. Swear, I'm doing it again today. Once they come in, I'll flip them, and I'll probably look on the site. I might even show y'all how I do it right in front of you guys. I might buy a brick and do it. So we'll see. But we're here at the post office. I've always shown y'all this, so let me get parked and drop these off. All right, now it's time to go pick up and mail some other packages. I might film the way there, so let's go. She said she got a man with this, I run, baby, with my hood gang. I'm like, down, baby, we don't do that. Cause wanna Bentley, cool, better how your bitch suck Alright, so my camera's about to die, but we got the package, and to say the least, my dogs are very, very happy that I'm here. My other one is now, I don't know, messing with my sister over there, but yeah, he was all on me. Where is he?
Rogan! There he is, hey! Hey, man!
Beautiful dogs. Look at them. Some good doggos. But yeah, since it's about to die, I'll show you them when I get home. Not going to film the drive back or, you know, shipping, any of that. Just what we can, because it's going to die. So let's get into actually showing you how we flip the bricks. Packages acquired, or I don't know, whatever you want to say. It's Undercover. I got to show you all these. These are clean as anything. Oh, and for anybody asking where I get shipping boxes, I usually just reuse the ones they ship in whenever I cop a shoe for retail, but Home Depot, USPS site. Best places. Alright, so I really, I don't know why that sounded like that, but I want to show you guys these right here. Hey, what's up? Come join the video. Hey, what's up? Come say what's up. Yeah, do this review with this. So, me and my cat gonna review these undercovers for y'all. Yeah, come up here. Come on. You might listen. But, yeah, right here we got the Undercover collaboration right there. Of course, the creator of Undercover on the front right there. And typical box. Not really anything out of the ordinary. I'm pretty sure this has been used for dunk highs before as well, so not really anything too out of the ordinary, but of course my lucky size, the size I've had the most success ever with copying, a size 11.5. First time I've ever hit on this sneakers account that I have, and now we have my cat joining me for the review right here. I got a box for you if you want to check that out right there, and that's for you. But yeah, looking at this right here and looking at these undercovers, so right away, wrapping paper already has the same thing on the outside as it did. So you can see right here when we kind of unbox these, right here, we got the Undercover Dunk highs. I ripped the paper right there a bit, but I'll just kind of take these out and show them to you guys. And I thought these were extremely clean in hand. I can see why people kept market up on these. Of course, a little detail, Undercover Basketball Association, they dropped these also with the merch that week. Don't forget they had some there. The merch isn't really performing, but these are surely staying around $250. I sold them just straight to stock when I got them for retail. I know some people criticize me for that, but what is it, you know, when people on your Instagram are, you know, taking the steals you're throwing, and then also when you cop something for retail, does it really matter, you know, where you sell it? Because you're still getting the bread as long as you get a good bid. So overall, colorways in this shoe, kind of with the black slash, I mean, yeah, it's black, it's not navy, but the black and red with the white kind of, I guess, spotted or, you know, kind of, I guess, sprayed cement pattern. Not cement, but white pattern right there with the dots. I think it's overall really well done, and I like how they placed the logos on the shoe. I think, you know, they didn't put too much, but not too little. And overall, the box, everything, really well done. So Undercover Dunk highs, we're going to go ship those off. Obviously, we've already made that sale, so you guys can see with that piece of paper. But yeah, we're going to also ship the Varsity Mazes. We'll do that a little later, but let's now discuss how you could flip sneaker bricks. Not like this, because obviously this isn't a brick. But maybe how you could flip shoes that are less popular, or ones you're having trouble selling, or ones you get from Foot Locker when you're building FLX. How you can do that. Let's go. Alright, so I said I was going to discuss sneaker bricks, so let's discuss how I flip sneaker bricks and what I've been doing recently with that. So again, the main purpose of why I've been buying sneaker bricks recently and flipping them, less profitable shoes or shoes I'll just break even on or not even make a profit on, is again building FLX. And the main reason I'm building FLX is so I can hit more on retail releases when I go to college, since my college town is not as populated or as popular for shoes compared to Charlotte, although Charleston is very big in the shoe game. I know that for a fact because I know people with a lot of points down there that, you know, don't hit sometimes, but they still do hit. And, you know, FLX has been adjusting their whole system with that. But aside from all that, main purpose why I'm building points right now, just for college. I'll hit more once I'm away from Charlotte, since Charlotte is just, you gotta have like a few million. But we'll get there, you know, with time and progress. So the main places where I've been flipping sneaker bricks, again, and kind of where I've been finding some, has been on the Champ Sports website and also on Foot Locker. I've been looking at many of the releases and comparing them to StockX and seeing how discounted I could get them. Since also, don't forget, on the bottom of your receipts, if you go in store to buy some shoes, again, always look out for Air Forces, the recent Space Jam shoes. If you see the computer chip Air Force Ones, you should be buying those because those are actually profitable to flip to StockX. I bought them from $90 from a Foot Locker and sold them for $145 on StockX, and got FLX points in the process of doing that, 9,000 points. So yeah, I'll take 9,000 points, and I'll take, you know, $50, $45 like that. You know, it's really not that difficult. I think I got like $35 profit on that shoe after fees. So it really takes a bunch of different things. And honestly, the main thing I want to mention with sneaker bricks and kind of, you know, flipping them is you will take losses. You are going to take losses like any, even with ordinary really, reselling, you will take losses. It's just what happens. It's part of the game, and you just got to get used to it. It happens. I do it. I probably take a loss every couple weeks, here or there on a shoe, where I buy it for too much. It just happens, and it's part of it, honestly. And also, sorry if you see my mom talking in the background. I don't know why she decided to have a full-blown conversation right outside my door, but you know what? It is what it is, and we ain't going to change the situation. We just going to keep talking. So, continuing on and going further into my statement, I've been taking advantage of the back-to-school sales recently, and there's been a lot of New Balances on sale, in particular the New Balance 327. Now, I've been going on there, and I've been looking at how discounted they are after the sale. Some are like $49 after a sale, and then after you ship them and all that, it pretty much costs like $59 for the shoe. And if you can get a discount on it, an additional $10 one, that might be in-store only, but if you do get an online discount, I don't remember if you get an online discount also from those bottom of the receipt surveys that you take that you can get money off on. I don't know if those are online or just in-store only discounts, but if they are online, you could apply those to those already discounted items, and then you can get them for much cheaper. And then literally what I did is I bought 2 pairs of 327s the other day, and I sold them both to StockX. One of them I took a $10 loss on, but the other one I made about $10 on. So I built about 15,000 FLX points without taking a single loss of $1, and I flipped them both to StockX. I probably couldn't flip them to Instagram to make a profit because people aren't that interested in sneaker bricks on Instagram. But there is some ones that, I do want to point out. So, for example, Air Force Ones. Air Force Ones, if you can see those in any Foot Locker, any store like that, I know people in my local area, like, at Foot Locker, I could get them for $90, but they're pretty much sold out at every Foot Locker finish, like, any place I go to. But I know sneaker stores in my area are paying $100 for Air Forces, $100, because they're able to flip them for $120, $140, because Air Forces are literally reselling right now, because so many people are buying them up for FLX, and then, flipping them off, you know what I mean? So if you can find a high supply of Air Forces near you, you can flip those to Instagram, and that would be the easiest thing ever, because there's always people wanting Air Forces, people that aren't in the shoes, you know what I mean? So that's a really easy one to kind of go with, and I just kind of want to point that out right there. If your main point of flipping sneaker bricks is to build FLX like me, then of course our goal is to go for anything profitable. I'm about to go do another FLX vlog in a day or two. I want to, because I still want to see if I can find pairs of those computer chip Air Force Ones. If I can find some of those at the Foot Action I want to head to, I'm going to try and buy every pair, because I can flip all those to StockX and make a nice amount, and that would build me a fat number of FLX points. But that's really how I flip my stuff. Don't forget, there's always apps like OfferUp. You can sell your stuff on there too. Of course, Mercari, that's a local app. I wouldn't check out Craigslist, I'd leave that alone. And Facebook Marketplace, also another great one you guys can start on. There's a lot of great Facebook groups for selling shoes, so keep that in mind. You can sell your stuff on there also. But mainly what I've been doing, again, going online, going in person, getting my items discounted, kind of comparing them to StockX prices when I'm, getting them. Obviously, when you go into the store or anything, don't look too much like a reseller, because then, they might not sell you everything you want. But what I figured out in Charlotte is 90% of the employees are resellers too. I look at their shoes and I'm like, bro, you can go to the back. We're gonna get the pairs. You know what I mean? I see what you got in your feet. I know you resell pairs out the store, man. But let's just get this under the way. You know what I mean? So that's how I really do it. It's very easy. It's a simple process, especially when you get those discounts. Just take advantage of those. That's how you really make your money with flipping sneaker bricks, is discounts and discount codes. That's what it is. So yeah, that's another part of the vlog right there. So another thing I want to mention, we'll just hop into the next part right here. I'll cut off that clip real quick, but these laser oranges, this is one of my best sneaker investments I've made recently. I'm so upset at myself for only buying 2 pairs of these. I should have bought like 5, because I've made $80 a pair in a month just from them going up. So yeah, imagine if I had bought like 5 or 10 of these, and then I could have sold them all now and made 800 or like $500, $400. But yeah, any classic colorway dunk with this kind of pattern on it, this color blocking, yeah, please hold them in the future, just for any reference. I took an L, in my opinion. I mean, I made $160 holding these 2 shoes, since I bought them $220 each, and now they're at $300. But imagine what I could have made if I bought like 10 of them, you know what I mean? That would have been nice, right? But that's everything I really need to say right there. I'm about to go ship this package off, and then this one I'll probably try and get mailed also. But yeah, that's really everything I need to say there. So I'm gonna do my FLX surveys. I'm not gonna film my trip to the post office or the rest of this video today. I really don't have too much more. We don't have any packages coming in. I have a lot of stuff coming in Monday, so I might hit y'all with another vlog then, just since that's another day that I want to do the FLX video. I might just do that tomorrow. I'm not really sure what the plan is, but I do know that I have a lot of stuff coming in on Monday, so that might be a resale video. Like, I know I have some dunks, stuff like that. My Eric Emmanuel shorts should be coming. I'm gonna flip those 2 Paras that I won on a raffle. You see what I mean? Like a lot. So just subscribe and like for more. No like goal in this video, just as many as possible to help the channel get out there more. And I'd appreciate that. And shout out my brother. He walked in my room and he gave me a gift. He gave me a Subway sandwich. Look at that. I needed some lunch and look at them, boy. I need to put some muscle on. This thing's the size of my arm. Oh my god. Nah, I'm playing. I don't really care, but I love you guys. Thank y'all for watching the video. Check my Instagrams, Discord, any of that down below. And yeah, my nickname's now Subway Forearm. Hey. Alright, I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Peace.